Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we are on the golf course, exactly on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, in a penthouse apartment in Block 3, overlooking the driving range. Actually, the weather has got a little bit worse. We had a sunny morning today. We had up to 17 degrees, even 18 degrees for a moment. We are on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Welcome to Quality Homes Costa Calida's virtual open house today at Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And I'm just showing you here a little bit of spring coming up, so the first plants are already blossoming. You wouldn't believe it, end of January in Spain. So, as I said, we are today in the penthouse development, overlooking the golf course, which is a Jack Nicklaus signature course based here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We are on the first floor in a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment provided to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. You'll find all the details of this beautiful apartment on our reference 3396, and I'm just showing you here the main terrace of this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, where you can easily see that this is quite a spacious and ample terrace overlooking the golf course of Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, which is a Jack Nicklaus signature course. Actually, the course is closed for the time being due to the fact that there are not enough players around to keep the golf course up and running, but the condition is pretty okay, and we're looking forward as soon as the netball can start again, that we will see more people here on Condado as well. Having said that, just let me enter now the apartment through the ample terrace door, which is a sliding door here, leading us into the main living room, which as well houses the dining area and the kitchen in the back. Just let me give you a quick glance on this beautiful 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. We are on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and you'll find all details of this property on our reference 3396. Asking price for this beautiful property is only 77,000 euros, and it's sold as seen, as we can see here in our virtual open house today, provided to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. The kitchen is conveniently equipped with fridge freezer, oven hob extractor fan, dishwasher, as well as all other mod-cons like kettle and toaster and microwave, obviously. Close to the kitchen, we do find the main entrance to the property, and just let me quickly show you how this looks like on the other side. There we go. Now giving a glance on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, we are on the penthouse area, and we are overlooking here the main road going down. And what we see in front is the Naranjos development with 2 or 3-bedroom apartments. We are on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, provided to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. I'm just showing you the surrounding today and the entrance situation of this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Penthouse Block 3. It's the apartment P316. On our webpage is reference 3396. Just entering the apartment again, just let me close the door. There we go. We are now just entered the apartment, where we have to our right-hand side the fully equipped kitchen. As we see, this is really ready to rumble, to say. And we have also from the kitchen a fantastic view even onto the golf course. What we see here is the dining area, and behind that we do see the living room area. The apartment is fully air conditioned. As you can see, all rooms are fitted with air conditioning, hot and cold, and well, there was not really a need today for air-conditioned heating because, as I said, we had up to 18 degrees today. It was a really beautiful day today. Just some clouds now appeared, and the forecast for tomorrow, it seems to be a little bit windy. But apart from that, we had a wonderful day today, and we are looking forward into the 20s during the coming weekend. So everybody looking forward already, I reckon. There you go. So I want to show you now the master bedroom. As we said, a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment You'll find all details of this and many more properties on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort and on other golf resorts on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Thanks, Adolfo. Happy days. Always good to get feedback. Thank you very much. Happy days. Hope you're well. Also in confinement, I reckon. So stay safe. There we go. I'm just showing you the master bedroom of this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, which is as well fitted with, well, everything a bedroom needs. And again, we have direct access to the terrace and views overlooking the Jack Nicklaus signature golf course. Actually now, as the sun is behind the clouds, a little bit grayish, but I can promise you it was a beautiful day today. And even with all this coming down on us, we are really privileged to be allowed to live here in the southeast of Spain, exactly on the Costa Cálida, which is the warm coast in the region of Murcia. Let me show you the second bedroom now. Here we are, second bedroom. Both bedrooms are fitted with fitted wardrobes. Fitted with fitted wardrobes, doesn't fly. There we go. And you see the agent again, Rupert. I can't help. Audrey, the cost of a 3-bed, actually my team will answer that there are no 3-bed on the Penthouses, but we have 3 beds in the gardens and on Naranjos. So I'm sure my team will come back to you with what we have available at the very moment. I'm just showing you now the fitted wardrobe, how it looks on the inside. So that's pretty handy. As we said, both bedrooms are fitted with wardrobes, as well as the fully furnishing, which we see here on our virtual open house today. Obviously, there is also a bathroom. So just let me show you quickly the bathroom. Again, we can't avoid to see the agent. It's me again, Rupert. Show you just the bathtub here, glass shower screen. So this is equipped and ready to rumble. The property is very well equipped and ready to move in. In case you have any question or doubt, please don't hesitate and drop us a line at the bottom of the screen, and me and my team will be happy to answer your question. In case you want to review or revisit a specific item in the apartment, again, drop me a line and I will try to do my best to showcase this to you. Generally spoken, today I'm here on my own because most of my team is actually now in self-isolation due to COVID. You wouldn't believe it, but I think that's pretty okay. As long as we can all work from home, we are happy. So thank you very much to my team working from home. I know I'm a nightmare because I'm doing this every Thursday, but I think it's necessary that we do it. We are just walking out from the master bedroom now onto the terrace again, and I would like to show you a special feature, which is here, this outside cupboard. Just let me show this to you. This is like an outside cabinet, and when we open this, what do we find? Happy days, we find a washing machine. Wow. Also here we have the water heater and some of the beach gear. You name it, we have it, up to golf clubs. So I think it's quite nice to have additional storage outside. We are back on the main terrace of this beautiful 2-bed apartment with 1 bathroom. Getting totally confused. On Condado de Alhama Golf Resort here in the region of Murcia on the Costa Cálida. It is actually, here we go again. I'm very sorry, we just had an issue with the connection here, but we just changed that everything is going well again. There seems to be an issue at the moment with the connectivity, but we changed to the 4G network. Generally spoken, on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, all apartments enjoy a 100 megabit down and upload line through the glass fiber network, which has just been installed. And we are really happy that this is working out on site for all apartments, so there is no need to contract additional internet here. It's all already included in the community fees. Oops, what are the community fees? Well, you can imagine that in a development like Condado de Alhama Golf Resort with over 3,500 units needs a decent professional management to make sure that the standards are kept up. That's hence we pay every month so-called community fees. The community fees are to cover cost for security, as we have a 24/7 security team on site, taking care of everybody coming in, coming out, as well as gardening, pool cleaning, street lighting, you name it, we have it. It's all organized by the community of owners. So the community of owners has decided some years ago that also internet and television channels should be made available to all of the owners, and that's what happened. So we are now enjoying over 300 international TV channels, as well as the 100 megabit up and download internet connection for all apartments on Condado. Part of the community fee, no doubt. What's the community fee for this apartment? It should be around 115 euros a month and included all services, as we said before. They're obviously as well cleaning staircases, cleaning car parks, so they're really taking care that the resort is always in pristine condition. We are back on the living room of this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, exactly on the Penthouse development. Yes, there is a pool close. It's 1 block up. I can't show it to you at the moment, Carol, because we don't see it from the terrace here, but yes, there is a pool nearby. So, coming back to our 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, I'm just giving you an idea again about the terrace size. Back into the living room. In this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, asking price for this place is only 77,000 euros and includes everything we are seeing today on our virtual open house, provided to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are just visiting the 2nd bedroom, where again we can't avoid to see the agent. Happy days. Here we go. As we said, bedrooms fitted with wardrobes. That's one of the fitted wardrobe I want to show you, as well as all rooms fitted with air conditioning, hot and cold, in the living room and in both bedrooms. Bathroom equipped as all bathrooms with hand wash basin and all other necessary items. There we go. Glass shower screen. And we come to the master bedroom of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. You find this property and many other properties on Condado and other golf resorts on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Reference for this apartment is 3396 and the asking price is only 77,000 euros. We are first line golf here, as you can see. The apartment is southwest facing, so this means we get a fair share of sun starting around early midday and going through until the sun goes down. I'm showing you just the golf clubhouse here, and as well as the driving range, because the apartment is facing the driving range. Just see the sun down over there. We had today 18 degrees here in Murcia, and we are looking into 20 degrees during the weekend. Might be a little bit windy, but anyway, I think it's a good start of the year. I'm standing here on the terrace of this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Resort. We are on Penthouse Block 3, the apartment 316 on the 1st floor. Just walking from the main terrace now again into the living room. No, sir, the community fees don't include water and electricity, as this is down to your personal consumption. So the community cannot take over these costs. This needs to be paid separately. You can roughly calculate that the standing cost is about 30 euros per month for electricity and about 10 euro per month for water supply. Then it depends on you how much use you give, and therefore the invoice you will have to cover. We are on a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and I'm just showing you again the living room of this well-appointed 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment provided to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. You find this and many other properties on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, under the reference 3369. I'm showing you now the living room again, but I really want to show you again the master bedroom, which is adjacent to the main terrace as well. You're welcome, Paul. There we go. This is the master bedroom, as well fitted wardrobe, as well air conditioning. As we said, this property is ready to move in and has all mod cons necessary. Just walking out again on the main terrace, showing you again the outside cupboard where we find the washing machine. There we go. Hold on a second. I might show you again the washing machine and other storage areas. overlooking the golf course. I hope you can see that because we're slightly filming against the sun, so I hope my camera is okay with that. Now coming back on the main terrace. It's quite comfortable up here, I would say. Beautiful views. We're on the first floor in the penthouse development overlooking the Jack Nicklaus signature golf course. Coming back to the living room, equipped with a 3-seater and a single-seater, as well as the dining area. And not to forget, and most important, the kitchen, which is as well fully equipped with fridge, freezer, microwave, oven, hob extractor fan, kettle, dishwasher, toaster, you name it, we have it. Ready to move in and ready to start maybe your new life in Spain. Regarding home office, obviously the 100 megabyte line is solving all problems in case you think of moving to Spain and starting maybe your life in Spain here. No problem at all. We are now really used to people working here from home as well, and the second bedroom can be easily transformed into a home office. Ian, the air-conditioned units, you mean the inside units are, one is here and the other two are above the entrance doors to both bedrooms. The external units, means the compressor, is on the rooftop, so they are not disturbing you on your terrace. They are conveniently placed on the rooftop, so there is a special place only dedicated to air-conditioned units, and I hope this answers your question. Well, again, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. First line golf to a Jack Nicklaus signature course. Fully furnished, fully equipped, ready to move in, only 77,000 euros. Okay, so as I have no listing agent today, as you can imagine, because as I said, my team is mainly in self-isolation at the moment, I have to say goodbye now to you without Anna's show. So I hope next week she will be back with me and support me here on the virtual open house. Otherwise, I will try to do it again alone, no problem at all. I'm really looking forward to see you again next week on our virtual open house provided to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Again, today we have seen a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on the Penthouse development, Block 3, First Line Golf, southwest facing, with loads of afternoon sun. You as well, Paul. Take care. And I really am looking forward to see you next week again on our virtual open house provided to you by Quality Homes Costa Calida. In the meantime, stay safe, take care, God bless. Bye.